Hey guys, this is Manoj. In this video I'll be guiding you how to save battery life on OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's begin with it. Navigate to settings, then select battery. Under battery, select adaptive battery and do enable use adaptive battery. So the next step would be navigating to display under settings. So under display, select the refresh Hz and change it to 60 Hz. So this will improve your battery build. Then navigate to resolution and bring down the resolution from Quad HD Plus or the 2K to Full HD Plus. This will certainly increase the battery life on your mobile. The last step would be changing the theme to dark. So navigate to theme and select the dark theme. As you know, OnePlus 7 is running on AMOLED screen. If we use a black background on AMOLED display, the display will produce less light when we use a black theme on the phone. So I hope this video helps you out guys. Do subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you.